Webtoon and Discord are collaborating and giving away free 1-month Nitro. The offer lasts till only December 25th. I will tell you everything about it, but before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. To make it clear, it's going to be 1 month free Nitro. And people who haven't had Nitro for 12 months or are new to Nitro are only eligible. There's a way around it, just create a new Discord account if your actual account isn't eligible for it. And oh yes, if you have Nitro Basic or just purchased boosts but not the real Nitro, then you are eligible. Now I have already explained what Webtoon is to you. It's like comic manga. It's pretty fun to read though. So, yeah, you need to download that app on your Play Store or Apple Store first and create a new account. After that, go to search bar and type in a school bus graveyard, because in order to claim your free Nitro, you need to read this comic with 10 pages. I think it's best we do this on phone rather than PC. So yes, I switched it to phone. And it doesn't let you take screenshot or screen record their comic, that's why there's black screen. But while finishing 10 pages comic book, you will get Wampus pop up 2 times, like a banner with Wampus on it, just like you can see on the screen. Right now it's only 1 time since I can see only 1 Wampus. After it pops up for the 2nd time, you will be eligible for free Nitro. Now look, I got my free Nitro, now I just need to add my email address and I think they will send me Nitro code. And it's done. I got my free Nitro, but if you haven't got your free Nitro within 72 hours, then contact Webtoon support team. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.